You have 2 weeks to build $1 million in pipeline. If you can do it, I'll give you $1 million.
Yeah. We would be doing lead gen. Let's say we're coming to Tech Disrupt. So I would look at who's coming, who's going to be here, scrape the data, and put it on email newsletters, send out great content, send out why you should be here, what we do, and how we do it, and then invite them to events which are RSVPs, exclusive events, exclusive food, and call them in so that they have this FOMO experience. People get wrong, especially at an event like this, is that they get overwhelmed and they don't have a plan of action before that they come in. Before you even set up the booth, your sales pipeline should already be there. So what you need to do is, hey, let's grab lunch, right? Let's go grab coffee. Let's just hang out. So while you're hanging out, you're kind of like being a little more intimate. Everyone has a skill set, right? But you need to have that. Like I said, let's become friends. Let's build that connection versus becoming a customer.